Classcraft is a unique way to motivate your students and gamify your classroom. It can be designed to run the whole year. Today we're going to go through the free versions and features of Classcraft. The basic premise is that students are set up in a fancy world with their own characters and you're the game master as their teacher. Their characters gain experience points based on how well they do in your classroom. These experience points are connected to leveling up, which provides them with new powers and special rewards as they gain experience points. Each character has HP, which is health. When they lose that health, when it goes down to 0, they receive a sentence, which is a consequence that must be resolved. There are special powers where teammates can take the damage for other students, but when the student's HP goes down to 0, everyone on the team loses HP. The character here who just received those sentences, you can actually track the sentences here and then remove them once the student has completed it. You can also track what powers each student has, again with their abilities and what they do are here in case you forget. You can assign special rewards called gold points. Students can spend these gold points to add powers or items to their characters and just customize them a little bit more as an extra incentive. You can add points and gold to certain teams or just overview who has what on each team here, or you can give points and rewards to the entire class. Classcraft also has a variety of other features. If you click on the Class Tools button, you can see that there are a bunch of options at your disposal. The options that are part of the free features are the first three. The Wheel of Destiny lets you randomly pick a player or a team as to choose them for a question or anything you need to in class. The Rides of Vey are random events that kind of set a condition for the class. You would typically do these random events at the start of a class or at a certain point of transition. So here you can see that year of plenty, the harvest was good, the country is rich. So with this specific example, students gain extra AP, which is how often they can use their powers, and an extra 50 experience points to boot. The last option that you have is the boss battles. Now, the boss battles for the free version is pretty limited, but what it basically is if you click on it, you can create formative assessments that ask students questions. You can name the formative assessment and create a character for it that is a boss. The boss will have its own HP and also a set of questions that bring the boss's HP down, and when students answer the question correctly, when the boss's HP hits 0, they receive rewards as a class, or you can have specific students or teams participate in the boss battle. Now, it's really limited in the free version. You only have access to one boss avatar, and that is it. So using it in the free version, that is a limitation. Alright, so that is Classcraft. That is the free version, and you can see that you have a wide variety of options to manage your classroom, to deliver some formative assessments. The pro version has a lot more to offer as far as lessons and quests and more boss avatars and events and skins for your students to choose for their characters. That's Classcraft. It can also be monitored using a mobile device through an app, so you have that mobility as you walk around and monitor your students. Alright, have fun gamifying your classrooms with Classcraft.